Cyber attack types. A cyber attack is any attempt to compromise the security, integrity, or availability of a computer system, network, or data. Cyber attacks can have various motives, such as espionage, sabotage, theft, extortion, or activism. Cyber attacks can also have different methods and techniques, depending on the target and the goal of the attacker. Some of the most common types of cyber attacks are malware. Malware is any malicious software that is designed to harm or disrupt a computer system or network. Malware can include viruses, worms, trojans, ransomware, spyware, adware, and rootkits. Malware can infect a system through various means, such as phishing emails, malicious downloads, removable media, or network vulnerabilities. Phishing. Phishing is a type of social engineering attack that involves sending fraudulent emails or messages that appear to come from a legitimate source, such as a bank, a government agency, or a trusted person. The aim of phishing is to trick the recipient into clicking on a malicious link, opening an infected attachment, or providing sensitive information, such as passwords, credit card numbers, or personal details. Denial of service, DOS, and distributed denial of service, DDoS. DOS and DDoS attacks are designed to overwhelm a computer system or network with a large amount of traffic or requests, making it slow down or crash. DOS attacks are launched from a single source, while DDoS attacks are launched from multiple sources that are controlled by the attacker. DOS and DDoS attacks can affect the availability and performance of websites, online services, or critical infrastructure. Man-in-the-middle, MIDM attacks are a type of eavesdropping attack that involve intercepting and altering the communication between two parties. The attacker can use various techniques to insert themselves in the middle of a connection, such as spoofing IP addresses, DNS hijacking, or using rogue access points. The attacker can then monitor, modify, or redirect the data that is exchanged between the parties. SQL injection. SQL injection is a type of code injection attack that exploits a vulnerability in a web application that uses a SQL database. The attacker can inject malicious SQL commands into the input fields of the web application, such as login forms or search boxes. The attacker can then access, modify, or delete data from the database, or execute other commands on the server. These are some of the most common types of cyber attacks that can pose serious threats to the security and privacy of individuals and organizations. To prevent and mitigate these attacks, it is important to adopt good cyber hygiene practices, such as using strong passwords, updating software and systems regularly, avoiding suspicious links and attachments, and using encryption and authentication tools.
Our goal is to help you achieve your IT career goals and become a successful IT professional. We are constantly updating our content and adding new practice tests, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. If you have any questions, suggestions, or feedback, feel free to leave a comment below or contact us at najarstar@gmail.com. We would love to hear from you and help you in any way we can. Thank you for watching and good luck with your IT exams.